In this video, I will show you every ChatGPT feature that will be very helpful to you. I will cover ChatGPT voice mode, data analysis, web browsing, image generation, memories, GPTs, and some more important tips. After watching this video, you will know everything about ChatGPT and you will become a pro ChatGPT user. If you don't want to miss any details, make sure to watch this video without skipping until the end. So guys, please hit the subscribe button to be the first to watch the latest AI tutorials and ChatGPT tips. Tip number 1, you can ask ChatGPT to create a to-do list based on a task or work. For example, here I created a to-do list for staying healthy, and I can also customize it. Tip number 2, you can change the output format of ChatGPT. For example, you can convert a to-do list into a table format with 2 columns, task and details. Tip number 3, if you are a developer, this tip is for you. Just describe your ideas, designs, or projects, and ChatGPT will generate the code for you. For example, ChatGPT converted the task table into a web page using HTML code. I can directly copy the entire code at once. You can also select text or code from the response and copy it in different parts depending on what you need. Tip number 4, if you want 5x more messages, access to the most powerful OpenAI models, higher limits for data analysis, DALL-E 3 image generation GPTs, and early access to new features, you can subscribe to ChatGPT Plus for $20 per month. Tip number 5, go to Settings, Personalization, and click on Customizations. This is called Custom Instructions. Here you can tell ChatGPT about yourself, your projects, and in the second box, how you'd like ChatGPT to respond to you each time you start a new chat, like tone, style, output formats, etc. These custom instructions act as system prompts for ChatGPT. Tip number 6. ChatGPT remembers everything from your chats that's useful to you. This is called ChatGPT Memories. You can manage all memories here. If you don't want ChatGPT to remember a specific memory, press and hold on a memory and click Forget, or to clear all memories, click on Clear ChatGPT's memory. You can also turn off memories permanently. Tip number 7. You can control the privacy of your data. If you don't want to give your chat data for model training or improving the model, you can turn off both toggles for text and voice data. By clicking on Archive Chat History, you can archive all chats, and if you want to clear chat history, click on Clear Chat's History. In the Account section, you can export your chat data and delete your account permanently if you want. Here, you can view all archived chats. Tip number 8. You can also customize your ChatGPT app, like the theme, dark or light, app language, and input language for voice mode. Here you can listen to the voices available for ChatGPT and select one by clicking the Confirm button. If you want to keep your conversation going in other apps, you can turn it on. Lastly, here you can sign out or log out of the ChatGPT account. Tip number 9, check if my custom instructions are working or not. Here, I ask ChatGPT the name I gave it in the custom instructions. If it is responding with the name I set, then it's working. To create a memory, I can simply tell ChatGPT what I want it to remember. For example, from now, ChatGPT will call me Alfred. And to update a memory, I repeat the prompt with a change. Look, ChatGPT updated my username to Stark Tony. Isn't it simple? Tip number 10, click on the 3 dots and go to Temporary Chat. In temporary chats, my data will not be used for training the model, and none of the chats will be saved in history. ChatGPT will not create any memory from temporary chats. For example, I can tell ChatGPT, my name is Alfred, and ChatGPT will respond but not save a memory like in previous chats. Isn't that useful? Tip number 11, I can assign a role to ChatGPT by saying, act as a. For example, I gave ChatGPT the role of a professional poet to write a poem for my YouTube channel. Tip number 12, by holding any ChatGPT response, I get some options like read aloud. This will convert the text response into speech, and I can pause it or set it to autoplay for every response. By clicking on the model name, I can regenerate the response with my selected model. If I want to copy selected text, I can click on Select Text, or if I want to copy the entire text, I can click on Copy. If I don't like the response, I can click on Regenerate Response. Tip number 13. By clicking on the mic icon, you can convert your voice into text for the next ChatGPT prompt. This will first record your entire speech at once and then convert it into text, making it very easy to use. Tip number 14. By clicking on the three dots and then pressing the share button, you can share your chat threads or links with others. If you want, you can share your name and edit the title along with your chat. After that, click on Share Link. Tip number 15. Go to your chat history and press and hold on any chat, then click on Rename. Here you can rename your chats for easy searching. Tip number 16. Along with renaming, you will also see two more options, Archive and Delete. You can archive a chat if you don't want it to show in the history, and view it by going to the Settings and Archive section. By clicking the Delete button, you can permanently delete the chat. Tip number 17. Now we are going into the advanced ChatGPT feature, which is ChatGPT Voice Mode. You can activate it by clicking on the headphone icon. Now you can talk to ChatGPT without touching your phone. By long pressing, you can record a command at once. If you want advanced voice mode, you can get it by subscribing to Plus, but it's available to only a limited number of people. Write in the comments who got the advanced voice mode and who wishes to use it in the future. And also your conversation will be saved as a new chat. Tip number 18. You can use the latest version of the image generation model of OpenAI. DALL-E 3 is available to use in ChatGPT from now, and also free users can generate up to 2 images per day. You just have to write whatever you want your images to look like, and ChatGPT will write a DALL-E 3 prompt for curating your images. You can also download or share this image. To generate this image, you can copy the prompt that was used here to generate this image. Tip number 19. I uploaded an image of a puzzle to ChatGPT Vision and asked her to solve it step by step, and this amazing ChatGPT Vision gave me some perfect steps to solve that puzzle. It's not interesting. Here is another example to test ChatGPT Vision. This is the photo from a movie turned into a quote, and I asked ChatGPT to guess the name of the movie and the name of this actor. I also annotated by drawing an arrow. The movie is The Wolf of Wall Street, and the actor is Leonardo DiCaprio. This is correct. Amazing ChatGPT Vision is here. Guys, if you think my video is helping you a lot, then hit that like button now. And if you're not a subscriber, then it's free to subscribe, so do it now. Tip number 20. If you have your data in a PDF, CSV, or document, you can attach it to ChatGPT and extract the detail you want, or even summarize the data. I uploaded a PDF and it extracted my timetable in table format. It's not easy to get whatever you want with your data. Tip number 21. Using ChatGPT Code Interpreter tool, you can create or modify any file within ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to create or convert a table into an Excel sheet, and ChatGPT created this semester's table with a downloadable link of the sheet. I opened that sheet created by ChatGPT in my Google Sheets, and it looks perfect. Tip number 22. Using data analyst GPTs, you can visualize any data into charts and graphs. I asked ChatGPT to create a bar graph of the top 10 stocks by price change using a CSV file of data. In the first step, ChatGPT cleaned the dataset and extracted the relevant data. Wow! In the second response, ChatGPT gave me an amazing bar graph of the top 10 stocks. You can also view the code behind this, so now I'm a data analyst. Tip number 23. Go to Explore GPTs, where you can find hundreds of GPTs created by ChatGPT and users, as well as some official GPTs from ChatGPT, like DALL-E for image generation, data analyst, and others. You can view GPTs by their categories. Free users can use GPTs but cannot create them. I went for Logo Creator GPTs, which created a logo for my YouTube channel. Oh, ChatGPT asked me some questions, but I went with option A, and without any further questions, this is what I got. My logo for my channel. From now on, I'm also a logo creator. No need to use other tools. Let's download it. Tip number 24. ChatGPT now has no knowledge cutoff, thanks to its amazing new web browsing feature. For example, I asked ChatGPT to create a table of stock prices and market caps for the top 5 US companies, and here's what I got. This is correct and fast. Tip number 25. Guys, you don't have to pay anything to subscribe to my YouTube channel. After doing this, you'll get the latest AI tutorials, ChatGPT tips and tricks, and OpenAI API tutorials for beginners, as well as upcoming videos on AI. So, guys, subscribe for AI,